vacancies. So here in its first supplementary, we cannot have a separate document for this 80. But since very soon the department is going to advertise for recruitment of field posts, this will not be, this backlog will not be included in the next recruitment advertisement. This will have a separate, this vacancy, backlog vacancies, the next recruitment drive of the police constable will be separate for district, separate drives and districts.
The districts will not be deprived of that backlog post. It may not be added in the next recruitment, but maybe a separate recruitment for this backlog post, but this post, I assume that will not be deprived of the districts.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. First of all, what supplementary question I noted down, the questioner has asked, the department has replied satisfactorily. I am satisfied. Now, an area of concern. I'll go straight to the point and I'll speak in Nagami so that everybody can understand. Physical tests, medical tests, department के विषय appreciate करें. Selection process can be fair evaluation, which I give appreciation to the department. But coming to the written test to that एकदम satisfied होना है. ये तो अभी एक रन हो गए. बेशी member मराई sound press. Why? Because Class 6 student, Class 8 student had to compete with BA, MA in the written test, same written question. How can they compete? Now you talk about physical test, medical test. Physical test to Class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gone to excellent by. BA, MA gone to hardly satisfactory. Hardly they cross the physical test. Will be in written test. Those who have done excellent in the physical test are not compared with the others. So can the department do some sizing, at least separate questions for two categories? Or those who have passed their BA and MA, they should not be allowed to appear for this test. Moreover, I feel that this HIPOI process is for more of physical structures. Who are physically fit, they should be getting this process. So I think the department should do some further study, research, and bring out two categories in the next, because what has been done is been done, we will not undo it. So this is one suggestion I have in mind. Because now coming to my PEC district, I'll tell you very frankly, all Chakasang Sasa are not backward. But the TZ area comprising of around 11 villages, plus the Sekrezu area, we are totally backward. Now all those Chakrasana candidates coming from Dimapur, Kohima, they have come and appeared, they have all qualified. So it is not going to the real backward peoples again. So there are some things where we need to study, compare, contrast, and reorganize it again. This is my suggestion. Thank you.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, in regard to this honorable members supplementary for this 80 unfilled posts, the unfilled 80 vacancies will remain with the respective district and tribes and will be carried out forward as backlog vacancies to the next recruitment drive of police constables.
Deputy Speaker, sir, I also would like to wish to comment on this. In supplementing what the honorable members also has stated, regarding the written test, I have another suggestion. Of course, his version is also from practical context. but we cannot disallow members to any citizen to apply for the post. That would be a violation of the fundamental rights. Having said that, I have a suggestion that since, as he has stated, it is absolutely correct that police, as far as the constabulary posts are concerned, it is more to do with the physical strength and physical duty. So therefore, if department can apply its best wisdom in reducing the written mark, increase the physical test, I think that will do justice, because you cannot set as separate questions for one exam, which will be a disparity, that will attract legal battles. So that matter can be examined, because even in terms of execution in the duty, those highly educated people, it is very difficult to follow the command from the higher ups, having a kind of ego, pride that we all have the same degree, so on and so forth. So the chain of command, even on the ground, it will be more practical if those who are having, of course, lesser in degree as far as academic is concerned, but having more physical strength. And that can be worked out if in the next recruitment, whatever has been done this time. I have the same grievances. I come from a backward constituency like Bandari, where my people are unable to compete in the region. So many of my people have been dropped from the region, although they have done it properly in the physical test. So this is an humble suggestion. If Department can examine in the next recruitment of using the written mark, emphasis more on the physical test. Thank you very much.
Good Speaker, sir. Honorable members' suggestion is taken note of it. We will examine and will submit the report.
Honorable Speaker, sir.
Thank you, sir. Speaker, sir, I would like to make some comments. I think it is very pertinent to share our mind. See, in police recruitment, police service means it is physical fitness. Therefore, mentally, if they want to be a policeman, they should train themselves beforehand to face that challenge of physical test and also medical test. That is one. Then the 80 vacancies which had not been occupied by various tribes. I feel for all fairness, they may be given another chance, next chance, but should not be kept forever, because there is something wrong if you keep waiting, then it will become another issue. Therefore, a second chance can be given, but not beyond that. Then regarding qualifications, police somehow is tolerable because they get quick promotions according to their efficiency and qualification. But in grade 4 posts in their respective districts and comes in their right of some landowners' compassionate grounds. But those overqualified, graduate, MA and highly qualified people, I don't think they will give a dedicated service to grade 4 post. Therefore, if some review can be thorough, otherwise they will again send their proxy people to work, and then the overqualified people will be hunting for jobs, and then it will deprive the people who are at the lower ranks. So just for my mind sharing. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, out of 1176 posts advertised, among that, Longling district has been given 36 posts. The allocation was 36, and one post was reserved for some certain village. And that very particular village has participated in the physical test, and they were not qualified. Now out of 36, now one has been withdrawn as a backlog. Initially, at the department they had talked with the NGOs and with the village councils. They are participating in other Longling district, and this should not be put as a backlog, and it should be a 36. Out of 36, one is withdrawn from this coming, one backlog is carried out in Longling district, we withdrawn one. So it will be good, it should be 36. It should not put back as a backlog. Because that particular visitor has been participated in the physical test and they could not be qualified. And this very much is under Longling district, that particular village. So I urge your chair to discuss amount for this. Thank you.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, yate Longling laga ekta do duikina dosra laga se chamotu noino. This one vacancy post belongs to Longling district. Aji holi bhi, kali holi bhi to apna karna kaya se. Aro, yate next recruitment day, if you get 36 or 35, eto do tate add no koribo. This is a backlog. So, if you get the next recruitment, if you get 36, adding this, you get 37, that is a backlog. I think our members should not confuse on that. Deputy Speaker, sir, in regard to this written lagado forward tribe plus 8, backward tribe plus 6. Ito brahe written text to be. Ito some qualified graduate, post-graduate may apply, but the standard is plus 8 and 6. So physical test is tadi if they get more mark in the physical test, even if they are not good in the written, it will qualify to go on. But as suggested by the members, I think this should be a review. As stated by our leader of the house, 4th grade no hoy, police kanto le to physical lage, written there, amike three bhabya sai, written to le one strict no koribi. So we will review this in the next document. Thank you.